At 21 years old, I became a millionaire while serving in the Marine Corps, active duty in the infantry as an 0341, which is a mortarman. Now that I'm out, I don't have a boss. I don't have anyone telling me what to do. I can wake up whenever I want, with whoever I want, wherever I want. I have no stress about me spending weeks out in the fucking desert without having any service, without having any organic food to eat or fresh food to eat, and not having to worry about just eating MREs in the field and losing a bunch of money. If you are broke or you're thinking about ways to make money, this video is for you. And if you're also in the military, this video is gonna be very beneficial for you. If you stay to the end, I'm gonna basically teach you guys how I did it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I went from nothing to financial freedom within 3 years. But first, let me share with you guys how I started out in the trenches, okay? And I say this as a joke because I actually didn't. But, I was living in a small room with my family. I didn't have a plan. I didn't have any money. My family was not super rich or super successful, but they weren't like super poor either. And I was already thinking about joining the military because I thought it'd be a good environment to be in. The issue was I just had no clue on how to make money. No one ever really taught me, right? Like my mom was a teacher. My dad was also in the military. But I always felt like there was more out there for me. And I always knew that, working a job the rest of my life did not sound appealing to me. I always knew there was something more, but I just didn't know how to get it. And I didn't really have a clear path on how I was gonna get there. And I also didn't have the capital to invest thousands or, even $10,000 into an idea that I was interested in either. But I definitely knew I didn't want to spend the rest of my life working a 9 to 5. And my biggest mistake back then is I spent a lot of time playing video games. I spent a lot of time with the wrong groups of people. I didn't have really clear goals. I was spending time in just all of the wrong places. And most importantly, I was dating a lot of the wrong women that just wasted so much of my time and energy. And once again, I wasn't born rich. There's been many times where I actually had to give my money and my savings to my parents because they couldn't buy groceries. There was many times where I had to sell a lot of my stuff to help out my family. I started where a lot of you guys are probably at now. And then came my origin story, which a lot of you guys have found me through watching my YouTube videos. I went through a very hard breakup and I didn't have good grades to go to college. My dad told me either you gotta get good grades to go to school or you join the military. Obviously I didn't have good grades, nor did I give a fuck about school, so I decided to go to the military. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I didn't really have a clear path. I was just kind of being told what to do. And despite all of my old friend groups that I was in that was kind of promoting that bad behavior, once again I was hanging around bunch of low quality people, I knew deep down that if I kept doing the same things, I'm gonna end up staying the same way that I'm already at, because I've seen so many people, they keep doing the same things, they end up in the same spot. They don't change their environments, they don't change who they are as a person. That's when I decided to change, because I realized that no one was coming to help me, and the people I surrounded myself with wasn't gonna join me on this path that I was choosing either. I had to basically recreate myself. First thing I learned the hard way is that money and people chase value. Value comes from your skill sets. And the skills that changed everything for me was social media content, networking, understanding women and relationships, branding, and learning sales. And instead of continuously spending my money on food and a bunch of other bullshit, that's when I sold my Xbox, sold my video games, sold all of my personal belongings that weren't helping me, and I invested all that money into mentorship, into books, and my business at the time. So all my free time went into audiobooks, mastering skills, and relentless practice on those things. The most important thing is I didn't chase side hustles to make money. I built the skill sets to make money, and I mastered those skills, because once you have those, you can make money doing anything. When I was on this path of, cutting off all those friends, starting to reinvest in myself, I had a lot of people who were doing way better than me start to notice me. A lot of mentors start to reinforce those habits that I was doing and those behaviors. Leaders in my industry start to notice me, and big names offered to promote and buy my products as well. And I started having people throw money at me because of my skill sets and the value that I provided to them. And obviously it wasn't life-changing at first, but it showed me that I could do it without college and without needing to get a job, or without waiting years for my life to begin. And once again, every single dollar I made went back into mastering skills, my business, and my mindset and coaching. And the truth is, the business does not matter of what you're doing at all. What matters is your mindset. Because if you're willing to do whatever it takes while everyone else is doing shortcuts and they're being lazy, you're gonna find a way to win. And I'm gonna give you guys an example. The businesses that I failed with in the past, if I were to redo them today, they would be more successful than ever, and I would be able to make money out of those things. And the reason why I'd be more successful at doing it now versus then is because of my mastered skill sets, my knowledge I have today, my resources I have today, but most importantly, my mindset that I have today. I'll give you guys an example. I started a business 8 months ago for one of my girlfriends to run, and within the first 2 months, it made $40,000 profit. Most people don't even have half of that saved after 10 years of working. And I'm gonna give you guys another example of how powerful it is to have the mindset and skill sets. And this doesn't even have to do with business, but this has to do with your girlfriends. If I were to talk to the ex-girlfriends that I messed up with in the past, they would still be by my side to this day if I had the knowledge and the skill sets that I know now. Not because I am more rich or I have a supercar or I have these things, but it's because of who I am as a person and the things that I know. It's not the girls or it's not the business that fails, it's you. And those things are a reflection of you at the end of the day. And I just want to put this into perspective. I used to be worried about having to pay for food or what the fuck I was gonna eat or if I could even eat, to being able to travel, spend whatever amount, buy whatever things I want, hosting events all over the world, helping other business owners make more money, helping guys find their dream wives and their dream girlfriends. And I have the freedom to work on these projects that I'm just passionate about because I built myself up. I used to have to take orders and follow people who were getting bitched out by their wives at home in the military to now doing whatever I want with whoever I want and with those who are only truly deserving and appreciative of my time and energy. I literally used to live in scarcity to now living a life of abundance. So here's some core lessons for you guys to take away that helped me become successful. Number one is my skills. Money making skills. It's who you are as a person that's gonna help you make money. Two is personal branding. A lot of you guys have really bad personal brands, and I see a lot of businesses that I help and I coach and I mentor that all they need to do is change their brand. Because when you change the brand, it changes the perspective of what you are selling. And number three is my network. I've been able to network and meet with other millionaires all around the world. I've been able to meet with other guys in my industry, guys that I also look up to and respect, guys that most guys will have a very hard time networking with and meeting. And these guys have all given me insane amounts of valuable wisdom and nuggets of information that has changed my life. And the fourth one is me just taking action. The biggest thing that you can do is pull the fucking trigger. Even if you're unsure about something, even if you don't know if it's the right thing to do or not, if you pull the trigger, you're gonna be much farther ahead than the guy who's sitting there questioning it. And I say this all the time to guys who are worried about getting rejected by a girl, and I tell them, if you're just the guy who walks up to her and talks to her and asks her out, you not only do you figure out if she likes you or not, but you get all of those things out of the way. You figure out, and you're already steps ahead of the guys who are texting her all the time, wondering if the girl likes them or not. You're light years ahead of the guy who's still curious about it. Even if you get rejected, now you know this girl's not for you. Versus that girl just walking away and you don't know if she was for you or not, and you just missed on the opportunity. And the key thing is to figure out as quickly as possible, as early as possible, is this thing for me? And you figure that out by succeeding or failing in that thing. And this applies to women, this applies to your businesses, this applies to your life overall. How do you know if that thing is even for you if you never even pulled the trigger on it? How do you know if that thing is gonna be your future wife or your future business if you didn't have the balls to go and do it? You just don't know. And that's why I tell guys, I don't care if you've just only listened to one of my podcasts. If you listen to this video right now, this is your first time watching me, you're gonna be much farther ahead than the guys who watch all my videos if you just pull the trigger on one of the things I'm teaching you in this video. By the way, my clients are already using these tips and secrets to their business and dating life, and they're already seeing way more results than you could ever imagine. And I'm not only just saying this to flex on you, but I'm also saying this to show you what's possible if you take action and you learn from the right people on what to do. And the sad reality is I think more guys are starting to wake up and realize this, but if you think that living and doing the same things as everybody else going to college, going to school, working that job is going to set you free, you're wrong. And you're going to end up being a slave forever. And once again, I could share you guys all the businesses that I've done to make money, because I've made money in some of the craziest and weirdest ways you guys would be surprised to hear about. But the reason why it doesn't really matter is because if I tell you guys exactly how I made money, you guys would still fail if you guys don't have the same skill sets that's needed and required to have that business be successful. Even with the girls, if you guys ask me, hey Logan, how did you find this super hot girl? How did you meet her? How did you do these things? If I were to just grab her and give her to you, you guys would still fail because you guys don't have what is needed to make her attracted to you as a man. So that's why this video wasn't about exactly what I did to make money. Because I'm telling you, if I told you guys all the ways I made money, you guys would laugh. Selling fidget spinners, selling fucking clothing, helping other people grow their social medias, work on other businesses to grow their business, help them make more money. I've made money doing everything that you could imagine. But the reason why I can do basically anything and make money from anything is because of the skill sets that I have that can be applied to any business. That's why it's very important for you as a man to work on your skill sets and your knowledge and to keep investing in yourself. And if you want girls to like you, you want girls to fall in love with you, it doesn't matter about how much money you have, it doesn't matter about how tall you are, how jacked you are. What matters is inside. And if you want to be a man of that caliber, you have to work on yourself and you have to work on your skill sets of understanding women and life overall. So if this video kind of shifted your perspective on what you need to do versus who you need to become, you need to join my free Telegram channel in which I will be releasing a very, very valuable and interesting framework that is going to teach you exactly how I got to where I got to. So if you want to learn the step-by-steps on how I did it, but also become the man of that caliber to do it successfully, I'm going to be releasing all that exclusively to my free Telegram group chat first. So if you're not inside already, you're going to miss out.